It's 2020 for me. What it do, YouTube? It's just who? It's just Jane back with just another video. Now I know for a fact it looks like your girl's out here cosplaying, right? Like the purple hair with the neon green shirt, like I'm doing too much. But you know what else was also doing too much? 2020. 2020 was doing way too much. Seriously. Nobody wants a recap of what 2020 was and is and all of that because it wasn't shit. 2020 was real sus. But we're just gonna recap anyways. 2021 is either gonna be better than 2020 or it's gonna be 2020 but the legal drinking age. So not that great. Like, did we forget that Kobe died? Like that actually happened. And the second Kobe died, we should have known. We should have known that 2020 was gonna be an absolute shit show. Like that was a sign from the world that like, it's not working out this year, sis. And then on top of that, of course, coronavirus, COVID-19, there is so much wrong with that, and there still is so much wrong with that. Online learning, Zoom University. Do we even need to talk about the mess that Zoom University was? Zoom University. Getting sent home from college in the middle of nowhere, just on a random Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, just, you're done, pack your shit, you're going home. All across the world. Like that happened, y'all. The schools that did not give refunds for sending students home that early. Like, I got a refund, so baby, I'm good. But I know so many people who just didn't get not shit back from their universities. Let's talk about how the class of 2020 didn't get to have their average college goodbye and their average college graduation. Class of 2020, I am so sorry to you, baby. And while we're still at it, as of right now, class of 2021, 2022, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. I'm sorry to y'all too. I'm sorry to all of us. I am. The fact of not knowing if we were even gonna make it back to school in August, September, November, December, I skipped October. The amount of college kids that were talking about dropping out, taking a gap year, a gap semester, all of that, it's the mental health going down for me. It's the suicide rates going up for me. I know nobody sees anything wrong with these, but I do, 'cause I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. I hate that song. I hate it. Okay? I don't care if you don't hate it. I do. Say So by Doja Cat. I am a Doja Cat fan. But that song? Nope. Did we forget about the TikTok ban that almost happened? Like that. That was a thing. Once again, the fact that we are in the middle of a global pandemic and then the social distancing that had to take place because of being in a pandemic. The social distancing, everything shut down. Like, we were on lockdown, everything shut down. The toilet paper, the shelves being empty, the paper towels, all of that. It's the unemployment rates going up for me. Quarantine, just quarantine in general. Too much. Partying wasn't allowed, so then small gatherings became the central hub for COVID. Wearing a mask. Doing physical activity while wearing a mask and you want to catch some air but you can't because you better keep that hoe on. Whew, so much wrong with that. Obviously, I'm gonna wear a mask. Like, I'd rather wear a mask than not wear a mask, but come on. Oh, and the anti-maskers. The maskne, the breakouts. Now that's just terrible. And y'all better wash your masks. Let's talk about how Broadway hasn't shut down since 9/11, and they are still shut down right now. Like, they have been shut down for a long time. They are dark, baby. Black Lives Matter movement. Now, nothing's wrong with Black Lives Matter, obviously, because like, hey, I'm black. What's wrong with it is the way people reacted to it, the way cops reacted to it, white supremacists, the government, who am I forgetting? The Karens. Oh, the Karens. Oh, Donald Trump. I don't know what to say about that one. I don't know if I start listing off everything or no, I'm just gonna leave it there. Donald Trump. Also, the election. The mess with the election and the mailing in ballots and if ballots got lost and shit not being on time and the debates and everything that happened after the election because of the election. We're done. What kind of hoax was it when Kim Jong-un died, but he didn't really die? Y'all remember that? Because I do. The name that Elon Musk gave to his child, which pronouns are a big thing here in 2020, right? I don't know if Elon Musk's child is a female, a male, non-binary, I don't know. But that name. Chadwick Boseman died. Chadwick Boseman was literally fighting stage 4 cancer while filming Black Panther and all these other movies, and we didn't know at all. You're kidding. And he died. Jake Paul knocking out Nate Robinson. The COVID vaccine. There's just so much. I'm not anti-vax. The Nashville bombing that literally happened on Christmas Day, as if 2020 has not been a shit show to begin with. And then that happened. And then the lack of coverage that has gotten on social media and the news and all of that. Like, that actually happened, y'all, on Christmas in 2020. Among Us. Nothing's wrong with Among Us, but I just wanted to recap Among Us. It's the shitty year for me. 2020 was not where the money resides, I'll tell you that. 2021, however, maybe that's where the money will reside. Bye 2020, I won't miss you, you're trash. Hello 2021, please don't be trash. Like, sis, we've gone through enough. Please bless us, bless our souls, the whole world. See y'all next year. 1, 2, 3, peace.